Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support at pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today I'm continuing to show you these brand new Envy colors. This is Espresso, and I'm showing you this one on the Madison wig. More on her in just a minute. Looking at Madison in this beautiful new color Espresso. So in this these range of new colors, there are 3 new brunettes. So Espresso is going to be your dark dimensional brown, macchiato will be your medium dimensional brown, and cinnamon toffee will be your light dimensional brown. And you'll see these color reviews all on my channel here. So Espresso is very pretty. If you like a dark brown, she's got some beautiful highlights. So we'll talk about that in a minute. I'm going to give you a quick overview of Madison. I've never tried Madison. She's super cute. And then we'll get into talking about the Espresso color. Okay, so here she is from the front. She does have a bang that you could, it's a bit long, so I had to side swoop it. So you could shorten it and have full forehead coverage. So here's my left, the back. She's a nice length, not too long. Mid upper back on me. Here she is from the right. And back to the front. So very, very pretty layering on her. I like the way she's cut where you can pull these layers forward and she just, cascades down to these longer layers. Looks really, really pretty. Tapers off. So really, really cute. Okay, so measurement wise for Madison. Her bang here is 4.5 inches. So that's why it's a little bit long on me. So I would either need to shorten those or, just side sweep them. I tend to side sweep bangs anyway. So, but she has a 12.75 measurement from the crown. She has 8.25 inch sides and her nape is 11 inches. So 11 inches is a great nape. Gives you plenty of hair to do some fun styling, but you don't have to worry about a whole bunch of length and a whole bunch of tangling. So much easier to manage, a much more manageable length. So, okay, so cap construction wise, Madison has a full mono top. So full mono top goes from here to here, all the way back to here. So you can see that part. She came without a zigzag part. So, and then of course she has this bang. She does not have a lace front. So, but this bang is going, you're always going to have this bang. So, and I think even with a side swept bang, it doesn't look bad. I'm not missing having my lace front there. So I've got good coverage here at the ear tabs. And this cap is fitting, like all these other caps have fit. It's fitting my petite head fine. They do fit, small heads great, but they're stretched to go up to, larger head sizes. So there's definitely room forehead to nape here, but ear to ear, she's fitting me, pretty well. So really, really nice. All right, so let's start talking about Espresso. So Espresso is a rooted color. It's harder to see the rooting on a dark color like this, but maybe it'll show, as I show it to you in different lighting a little bit more. So Espresso is described as a neutral blend of chestnut brown and warmer dark and medium brown with a dark brown root. So you can definitely see, that sort of highlight going through there. They didn't call it a highlight, warmer dark and medium brown. Perhaps I left out the word highlight when I wrote down my description, but anyway, it does look like a highlight to me of those colors. But a lot of times on the brunettes, they'll describe it more as a blend. So really pretty. The fibers are really nice on this wig too. I'm really loving these particularly the straight Envy fibers. They are nice. They're a really nice denier and they're just wispy and they don't seem to tangle that much, which is nice. So this is just the room light, so we don't have any bright light bouncing off the color. So as you can see, definitely a dark brown. Okay, so here we're just looking at the color with a room light that's a little bit of a distance from me. No overhead lighting on, no ring light on. It's pretty, you can see those lighter colors. Chestnut and medium brown. I would say this color is neutral to slightly warm. Mostly neutral though. Even with that chestnut and that medium brown, it's still, I wouldn't say it gets real warm. Dark browns tend to be, you know, more neutral and sometimes even a little bit ashy, but I wouldn't describe this one as ashy or really, really cool, but. Okay, so here we are outside with Espresso. Full natural light now, so you can really see the highlights. See, the rooting doesn't show a whole lot, but it is considered rooted. It just goes into those blends of those other colors really quickly. Okay, so here is the inside of the cap for Madison in Espresso. So she has a full mono top. There is a poly strip back here on the back. There's one up here at the front. You can use the one up here in the front, you know, for some adhesive tape or whatever, you know, if you want to. Otherwise, it just lays very softly against the forehead, so that's nice. She has the lace-covered ear tabs with a good-sized piece of metal in there. Hair on the inside of the ear tab and on the outside, so that should hide those ear tabs nicely. I think these, I've been impressed, you know, I thought the ear tabs look nice on these wigs. Open wefted all through the cap. She has pull adjusters. She does not have an extended nape, which it would be nice if she did, but she does not. Plenty of stretch here in the cap and in the circumference. There is some permatease just where the hair attaches to the wefts. Okay, we can look at some styling and stuff like that for her real quick. So she's very ear tuckable. She doesn't have a lot, there's permatease like right where the hair attaches to, the wefts attached to the cap, but other than that, not a lot of permatease or anything, so. And of course you can move this part around anywhere you want to on this mono top. I don't think I showed you that. I showed you the part, but you can also, you know, you could part it anywhere you want to up here. So that's nice. Okay, so glasses. Showed you the headband before the glasses. Glasses go up on the head really easily, sunglasses, whatever. I think she would be a good, you know, wig for a hat also. So, okay, so we did headband, half up, half down. She works really pretty for that. She goes in a ponytail nicely. And then of course you could twist her, you could do stuff like that with her. Really cute. You could put more layering down around your face. So she's really, really cute. So, okay. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig in this beautiful new color to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.